It is very simple to achieve your dreams, but it is not easy. Sometimes you will have to do the work you don't like. Sometimes you will have to face the fears you are afraid of. Sometimes you will have to deal with failure, anxiety, and even with depression. But always remember, only you will have to deal them on your own because no one is coming to help you out with your work or your dream. They are already busy with their work and chasing their dreams. If you want to stay healthy, get up and go to the gym. If you want to be a topper, get up and study. If you want to get that promotion, get up and work for it. And if you want to be successful, get up, work hard, develop your skills, and acquire more knowledge. Always remember, no one is coming to grant you the things you want. You will have to get them on your own. Today, you have two choices. Either you get up and chase your dreams, or you stay down and dream. The choice is up to you. Think for a minute. See you tomorrow.